The app works by creating a single source of information for students on articulation routes to higher education in and around Edinburgh and the surrounding South East Scotland area.
It's a web-based app which users can download onto their phone home screen or access from any other device.
The Pathways web app is a database that shows all articulation routes from HNCs and HNDs onto degree courses.
Not a lot of people know what articulated routes are, and that is when you study an HNC or an HND at college and it actually is recognised as the equivalent to completing first or second year at university.
It's super because it's all in one web app. So you don't need to go to individual institutions to find out what your options and pathways may be. All the information is in one place at your fingertips.
Being able to see that clearly and simply in one place, being able to understand if you're interested in a particular subject or particular institution or particular qualification, what the options are.
It makes it so much easier because it takes stress and frustration out of having to research all the institutions individually. Anyone and everyone can use the Pathways web app. It is so simple and easy to use.
It could be used by pupils, so as a school, maybe an S4, S5 or S6. Think about college is next for me, but I maybe want to go and get a degree. So they can look at this web app, look at what high honours certificates and high honours diplomas have got the articulation routes in place and how that can take them to university to get a degree.
This app has been designed so simple and it takes a lot of the stress and frustration out of researching HNCs, HNDs, where they're delivered and what institutions they follow on to.
The Pathways web app is important as it provides a single source of information on articulation pathways without students having to contact multiple institutions about options.
It actually makes further and higher education more accessible. Because you can have it on your phone screen when you're on your commute, maybe home from work, because you can maybe sit at night and you can just look around, and because everything is under one roof with this app, it makes your progression from an HNC and HND so feasible when to go to university. It stops becoming something scary.
There are many pathways from several different colleges to several different universities across all the different curriculum areas, and this gives a one-stop shop to find those routes.
Articulation, or moving from college to university where you get credit for prior learning, is a very important part of the Scottish education system. This web app should ensure that regardless of your background, regardless of your start in life, you have an opportunity to have a route to higher education and the opportunity to explore the options that are right for you.
Articulation has always been a key component in the government's widening access ambitions. It's important that students' prior learning is recognised when going on to study for a degree at university.
If you think that you want to go to university and you're a school leaver and you don't have the entry requirements, it basically shows you how you can use college as a stepping stone to do that.
So it should really help improve transitions and seamless movement for students between institutions and between colleges and universities.
For many learners, articulation is a crucial alternative route into university, and this app is a significant step towards achieving a joined-up approach between college and university.
And because it's more accessible, it's more easier, and when something's easier, people think that they can achieve it, which means more people will actually want to access higher and further education.
In addition, the database that we've made is scalable and could well work across Scotland if the demand is there and people see the value of it.
It's about partnership delivery. It's about benefiting the learners, those current learners and students at colleges doing their high nationals, and learners of the future, those young people who are at school, for example, or indeed mature students who are thinking about returning to education. And hopefully, if it's successful, we'll be able to take this Scotland-wide.